In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add social media links to your Shopify store step by step. This process will help you better integrate your online presence with your social media platforms, giving your customers easier access to engage with your brand. To begin, you'll want to open your Shopify admin panel. This is the foundation of your online store, where all your customizations happen. Once you're there, look over to the left-hand side and locate the Online Store tab. Clicking here will open up a list of options related to your storefront. Next, it's time to personalize your site. Click on the Customize button. Customizing is where you tailor the look and feel of your store, making sure it resonates with your branding and appeals to your audience. It's in these settings that we'll be bringing in the power of social media. Once inside the customization interface, look to your lower side menu for theme settings. This section includes a variety of options that affect the visuals and function of your Shopify theme. Now go ahead and click Social Media. This is where the magic begins, linking your social media accounts directly to your online store. Let's start by adding Facebook. In the social media settings, you'll find a dedicated space to input your Facebook link. Enter your business's Facebook URL here. It's important to enter the correct URL to ensure that visitors to your store can seamlessly access your Facebook page. Following that, navigate toward adding more of your social media accounts. You'll come across several options for various platforms. For instance, adding YouTube is equally simple. You just need to paste your channel or video URL in the corresponding field. This opens up a visual realm for your customers to see your content. Continuing on, TikTok and Twitter, or X as it's now known, are also excellent platforms to integrate. Much like the others, just insert the respective URLs into their designated areas. This enables your audience to follow and connect with your brand in real time. Adding these social media platforms will not only boost your connectivity with your audience, but also encourage a higher level of engagement across multiple platforms. As a result, it helps in building a cohesive brand experience for your customers, no matter where they choose to interact. Once you've gone through each platform, don't forget to save your changes. It's a simple step, but critical to ensuring that all your hard work gets implemented properly. And there you have it. You now know how to add social media links to your Shopify store